Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets by Chital Shah, and I am Chital Shah. Today's pick a card reading is to receive guidance for the week starting July 6, 2020 to July 12, 2020. Before we begin with the reading, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts and like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that we upload. Before showing you all the piles, I would like to thank you all for your contributions, big, small and medium, that you are sending me. Thank you. So let's begin with the readings, but before that let me help you and guide you through the piles. So today we have pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. If you are new to pick a card readings, please pause the video for a second and select the pile that you are most drawn to. As you select the pile, please go to the description box and select the timestamp against the pile to receive your guidance. Thank you. All those people who have selected pile number 1, let's begin with your reading. So, the 3 cards that we have for you, pile number 1 for this week, are assertiveness. If you get nervous, focus on service, and meditation. With these 3 cards, the angels are clearly guiding you to be assertive in the coming week. Do not get nervous, whatever the circumstances may be. Focus on your act and your services. If you get nervous, start doing your affirmations, prayers, and visualizations. The guidance for this week is doing meditations, as it will help you be really focused on your work and enjoy the positive energy the divine is flowing on you. As you focus on service and the good that you do, things will start getting better and better, and you will see a miraculous result coming in your direction. Removing time each day to do meditations, prayers, affirmations and visualizations is going to help you in the long run. Stay focused on your intentions and focus on your work. Don't go into judgments, conclusions or computations about anyone or anything, and do not compete with anyone. Your work will give you the results that you desire, but it is only possible once you are assertive in your work and once you are ready to receive your blessings. As you meditate, you will know the blockages, if there are any, in receiving your success. So with these cards, the angels ask you to continue with your affirmations, meditations, visualizations and focus on your service. Do not go into fear mode and receive the blessings with ease. Thank you. All those people who have selected pile number 2, this is your weekly guidance for the week starting July 6, 2020 to July 12, 2020. The cards that we have received for pile number 2 are play, cut your cords and acceptance. With these cards, the angels are telling you to have a playful attitude in everything that you do during this week. Call upon Archangel Michael to cut all cords with all reference points and all past and negative energies that you have been holding within you and in your auric field. Accept life as it is and have a playful attitude towards everything that is going on around you. As you enjoy what you do and do what you enjoy, things will start improving and you will quickly see the results of your hard work. Also, there is lot of negative energies in and around you and your auric field, and lots of attachment to past outcomes that you have been holding. Call upon Archangel Michael this week to cut the attachments and release you from old patterns that are not for your highest good. Also, with these cards, the angels are telling you to accept the present situation and bring in more joy and happiness in whatever work you do. Because as you accept the present situation and bring in more joy, you bring in more positive energies, which will help you to grow and succeed in whatever it is that you are planning to do and succeed. Enjoy this week and don't forget to cut your cords, pile number 2. Thank you. So all those people who have selected pile number 3, let's begin with your weekly guidance. So for this week, the cards we have for you, pile number 3, are perfect timing, law of attraction and avoid allergens. With these cards, the angels today are asking you that this week is going to be amazing. Whatever you are thinking is going to get attracted and going to be created in your life at the earliest. Because this is the perfect time for you to receive your rewards and receive your blessings. Think positive and think of only things that you would like to have in your life. Let go of all the negative emotions and negative energies in and around you and your auric field. Don't have fear based energies anyhow this week. This is the perfect week to receive your blessings, and also this is the perfect week to start with any work that you have been postponing for so long. Also, in this week, Archangel Raphael is asking you to identify the allergens in your life. Allergens, as in people or things and situations that not only drain your energies but always looking for the negativity in anything and any circumstances that you do or have in your life. These people or situations would be someone who would only tell you about the negative effects or negativity of the situation instead of taking you towards the positive side of the situation and helping you gain your energies and move and reach the powerful situations. Avoid these people, let them go from your life forever. If these people are in and around you, it is best advice for you to let go of everything and these people so that you can attract the life you truly choose to have. Also, this is a perfect time when things will come to your knowledge about people, places, circumstances, and situations that are not for your highest good, and things which are for your highest good will also appear in your life this week. So, in this week, pile number 3, don't forget to tune into your inner power, inner knowing, and inner awareness to create whatever it is that you truly desire. Thank you.